So yes, students, we are again in the same chapter, winds and storms. Towards the end of this video, you will be able to understand the concept high speed wind is always accompanied with low air pressure. We would see one activity related with the concept, some day-to-day examples related with the concept we will discuss, and we are going to talk about an instrument used to measure the speed of wind. So now let us get started. What is the relationship between wind speed and air pressure? Well, high speed wind is always accompanied with low air pressure. What does it mean? When wind is going to move at a speed, okay, then it is going to create low air pressure area behind, okay. Why are high speed winds accompanied by reduced air pressure? Try to think it logically. See, when wind is moving from that particular place, less area is left over there, and because of that, the low air pressure area is created, isn't it? Yes. So how can we prove that? Of course, this can be proved. The fact that high pressure, high speed wind is always accompanied with the low air pressure can be proved with an activity. The video of the same activity we have seen in our virtual classroom. The link for the same is shared in the description box. So if you want to watch that video again, just go for it. So here we are going to discuss it with the help of this picture. What we are going to do is we are going to take two balloons nearly of same size. Then we are going to fill each of the balloon with little water to make it stable. Then we are going to tie the mouths of the balloons with the help of thread, and then we are going to tie these balloons to a stick. But the condition is that you have to tie them in such a way that they are around 12 centimeters apart from each other, okay. Then with our mouth we are going to blow air through the gap between the balloons, and what we observe is the balloons come close to each other. Now why so? As you blow air in the gap, the low pressure area is created because you are blowing that air with force, isn't it, with speed, and because of that low pressure area is created in the gap. At the same time, the air pressure area outside the balloons is more, so obviously air will move from its high pressure area to low pressure area, and along with that wind, balloons will also come close to each other. So yes, this activity proves that high speed winds are always accompanied with low air pressure. And on your screen you can see one animation where the roof of the house is just lifted up and blown away. Why is this so? You will give me the simple answer कि this is because of speedy wind. Yes, that's true, but the real reason behind it is the concept that we have studied today. See, on in the picture you can see that when high speed winds just blows above the roof, low pressure area is created. At the same time, the air inside the house is more, and therefore it is going to create high pressure area, isn't it? And air will move from high pressure area to low pressure area. So air will move from house towards the roof. This will lift up the roof, and the roof is just blown away, okay? Similarly, we see that trees and electric poles are uprooted, because of high speed winds. So this is all because of the low pressure area that is created there. Similarly, the wings of aeroplane are designed in such a way that they are curved more on the upper side, okay. So during takeoff, the wind will blow at a high speed above the wing, and the air will move with a low speed below the wing, okay. So when the air moves above the wing with a high speed, low pressure area is created, okay, and the air pressure area below the wing is comparatively more. So the air will move from the air will move towards the area above the wings, isn't it? The movement of air would be from low pressure area to high pressure area. This is known as uplift. So during takeoff, this uplift is going to help aeroplane during the process of takeoff, right? Now you might have seen that the wings of birds are designed in such a way that even when they fly, the same principle is applied over there, okay. So Yes. And now we are on the instrument. As you can see on your screen, this is anemometer. So the instrument which is used to measure the wind speed is known as anemometer. Okay. Uh, Now we can see the checkpoint here. As the air pressure decreases, the wind speed of course increases. The speed of wind is measured with an instrument called anemometer, right? Then most of the atmospheric air is present in which layer of atmosphere? Yes, it is present in troposphere. Okay. So here we finish the video. High speed wind is accompanied with low air pressure.